Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Today in this video we are going to discuss a new topic, bubble sorting. Let's try to understand what is bubble sorting. In this technique, the array is sequentially scanned several times, and during each iteration the pair of consecutive elements are compared and interchanged, if necessary, to them into a specific order, either in ascending or descending order. Let's try to understand. Suppose we having some number in the form of unsorted order. So first compare the first number with the second number. 5 compare with 1. Yes, it is a smaller, so interchange the place of the number. Next, 5 compare with 4. Yes, it is smaller, so interchange the number. Again, compare 5 compare with 2. Yes, it is smaller, interchange. Again, 5 compare with 8. So there is a no changes, so it will not interchange. The next, 8 compare with 9. So there is no changes, so it will not interchange. So at the last we will find out the greatest number. So greatest number is here 9. So this part is called the first iterations. Again this process will repeat from the beginning. So now 1 will compare with 4. So there will be no changes because 1 is smaller and 4 is greatest. Now 4 compare with 2. Yes, it is the smallest. So 2 and the 4, it will interchange the place. Now 4 will compare with 5. So there will be no changes. Then 5 compare with 8. So there will be no changes. So finally we got the second highest number, that is 8. Now this process again it will repeat from the beginning. So now 1 compare with 2, so there will be no changes. Then 2 will compare with 4, so there will be no changes. 4 will compare with 5, so there will be no changes. So 5 is the third highest number. Now again this process will repeat from the beginning. Now 1 will compare with 2, there will be no changes. 2 will compare with 4, there will be no changes. So in this way it will do the bubble sorting. So in bubble sorting, the pair of consecutive numbers are compared and interchanged in the form of ascending or descending order. So let's start our Java coding. Having a class name bubble sorting, here we will write data type int, array name arr, square bracket equal to new int, and the array size 10. Here the index will denote I and j for the comparing and t for the storing the temporary as the temporary variables. This loop is for input 10 different numbers, I less than array dot length I plus plus. So here we will curly braces open, system dot out dot print ln message give enter number bracket close. So what we will do here, input array I is equal to integer dot parse int br dot read line curly braces close. This part is for input 10 different numbers. Then another loop is for comparing the numbers. So I is equal to 0, I less than 9, I plus plus. Another will start the loop for consecutive numbers. So j equal to 0, j less than, that is 9 minus j plus plus, curly braces open. So to compare the consecutive loop, syntax is if array j and the consecutive numbers j plus 1. If this condition will satisfy, then we will do the swapping. So T array j is equal to array j plus 1, array j plus 1 is equal to T. So this part is for swapping the numbers. Curly brace close, for loop. This one is for loop, and here this part is for sorting the displaying the sorted numbers. So the number are in sorted ordered are, sorry, give the like this dot dot, write on for display I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. This is for printing. So here array I close, you can print in one line also, so remove the ln and you give the space and semicolon, curly brace close for public, this for class. Compile this program, no syntax error, close, right click, void main, OK. So here it is asking 10 different numbers, first 2, 5, 8, 1, 9, 12, 45, 23, 46, 78. See, the numbers are arranged in ascending order. So thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.